Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by deciding platform and connection. PC, PlayStation, or Xbox. This dictates features. Once chosen, charge to full and connect. Test mic position and mute toggle so you know baseline behavior. Then install SteelSeries Engine or Corsair ICUE so firmware and EQ profiles are current. This unlocks spatial audio and headset updates. As you do this, note battery life and software-only features, because those differences drive which headset fits your routines. Now you run listening and gameplay tests to compare sound signature across music, movies, and shooters. Play the same track and map to judge clarity, bass response, and imaging. Enable spatial features to assess positional cues. While doing that, wear each headset for 30-60 minutes to check clamping force and heat. Comfort matters as much as sound. Finally, record your voice and judge mic clarity and noise rejection. Make adjustments in software, because mic presets often change real-world performance. You finish by weighing priorities. If accurate audio and versatility matter, favor fidelity. If mic and comfort are top, pick the headset that delivered there. Once decided, create and save at least 2 EQ profiles, one for games, one for voice. Enable sidetone and set mic gain so you hear yourself naturally. If connectivity problems arise, repair the device, reinstall firmware, and, if needed, switch to wired mode to isolate wireless issues. This one step resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.